So Dan does an experiment to find the value of pi. He measured the circumference and diameter of a circle. He measured the circumference C as 170 millimetres to the nearest millimetre and D 54 millimetres to the nearest millimetre. So Dan uses the formula pi equals C divided by D to find the value of pi. What we've got to do is calculate the upper bound and the lower bound for Dan's value of pi. So starting with the upper bound, we need to take the largest possible value that C could be, which will be 170.5, that's its limit, to the nearest millimetre. We divide that by the smallest possible value of D, which will be 53.5. I'll put the answers on in a moment, but similarly, if you want the lower bound, when we go to the lower limit on the top of the fraction, which is 169.5, and to the upper limit on the bottom of the fraction, 54.5. And this will give us the upper and lower bound. We've not been asked to round off, so we'll put all the numbers in the answers. So I've put the entire answer in using the calculator display. If you were to round, then as long as you've rounded correctly, you would get the right answer. So if we rounded to 1 decimal point, and I must stress we're not being asked to do this, it would be 3.2 for the upper bound, and it would be 3.1 for the lower bound to 1 decimal place. That's your answer.